2024 is here, and almost every person must have made some resolutions. But did you know that only 9% fulfill these goals? I watched dozens of videos on YouTube on how to make 2024 your best year, and here is the crux of them all. First, you must identify where you are right now to determine where to get. A simple way to find that out is to use the Wheel of Life. It means rating your satisfaction honestly with 3 major domains: health, relationship, and work. Because we all majorly desire to streamline these 3. Work consists of a mission, money, and growth. Health is further divided into the body, mind, and soul. Relationships cover romance, friends, and family. Now, you have to rate yourself in these 9 columns. And here you'll find out where you need to put your efforts. If you need more health, be specific about where to focus. It can be to gain strength, muscle, or weight. Now, you don't have to set unrealistic goals. This is a marathon, not a sprint. Make it fun for yourself. Pick any 3 activities you enjoy doing. It can be cycling, or swimming, even dancing. Do it for 40 minutes, 5 days a week. Switch to a healthier diet and better water intake. You'll surely see a difference in yourself. And even if you're confused after using this method, be intentional about where you spend your time. Just take action on something. If you have a goal, 2024 is the year of taking action. And even if you don't know what it is, discover what you're curious about. What would you love to learn about? It can be anything. Don't be afraid to start it. Think of it like a free trial. Try that stuff for 12 weeks and assess it. If it works, you have a direction for the whole year. If not, then cancel that subscription and start finding out something else that intrigues you. Give it a try. It's like a free trial. Another important thing is to imagine yourself in the ideal situation. Believe it or not, manifestation with the right efforts can go a long way. Write a list of stuff you've been wanting to do, places you want to visit, or events you want to attend. For example, if you want to go to Japan or the next FIFA game. Now, put it on your calendar on any date you want to target. Even if it feels unrealistic, just put it there. Now you'll have a time restriction in front of you. You'll have something mapped out in the back of your mind. And it will make you work hard for it. While working on yourself, you must take it seriously to master a skill that can change your life. There has to be one thing that has been holding you back from doing your thing. Identify that skill and dedicate yourself to learning it with a deadline. Here's what you can do to make this effort more effective. Set clearer goals. Study shows that people who set clear goals are more likely to feel happier with life. Have a clear goal, write it down, check it repeatedly, and keep working on yourself. Write down how you spend your time and how much you can set for yourself. Now, here's what to do to keep track of the progress. Make a spreadsheet with a breakdown of every activity. And daily, you can put here how much you have stepped towards your goal. While you're on this, don't be afraid to ask questions. Instead of pretending to know things, be open to learning new things. I know it can be a bit scary at the start, starting fresh and admitting not to know anything. But this is when you start learning stuff. In addition to all these activities, don't forget to take care of your mental health. Put your phone down and try connecting with nature daily. Take a walk. Look out your window and listen to the birds. These small moments of relation recharge your battery and will to work in longer terms. And while doing everything, make sure you're the happiest person in the room and feel confident about yourself. Good luck with this new year and your new journey ahead. What are your aims for 2024? Share with us in the comments below.